I did everything right. PhD, bootcamp, years of study, and I still ended up scanning clothes in a warehouse. If you feel overeducated and underhired, you're not crazy. You're not failing. The bargain failed you. Degrees used to be the key. Now, they are just the baseline. The market wants proof, not paper. This book is the survival guide for the last generation trained under the old deal. It shows you exactly how to rebuild your career, your income, and your identity in the age of AI. No toxic positivity, no fake promises, just the truth and a blueprint that actually works. If you did everything right and still ended up in the wrong place, this book will finally make it make sense. Overeducated, Underhired, now on Amazon. If you are stuck, this is your way out.